Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA on PS5. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and connected to your television. Next, insert your FIFA game disc or download the digital version from the PlayStation Store. Finally, connect your DualSense controller and ensure it has sufficient charge for an uninterrupted gaming session. You'll be ready to kick off in no time. Now let's cover the essential controls. Use the left analog stick to move your player across the pitch, guiding them with precision. To pass the ball to a teammate, simply press the X button. When you're ready to take a shot on goal, hold down the circle button for power. Practice these fundamental actions to build your confidence. Moving on to more advanced tactics for attacking plays, press the square button to execute a through pass, sending your striker on goal. On defense, hold the L2 button to jockey, maintaining a strong defensive stance against attackers. You can also tap the R1 button to call a second defender, applying more pressure and winning back possession. These moves will elevate your game. Finally, explore the various game modes available. Kick-off mode is perfect for quick, casual matches against the computer or a friend. To hone your individual skills, head to the arena for unlimited practice. Once you feel confident, dive into career mode or Ultimate Team for a more immersive and challenging experience. Enjoy your journey in FIFA.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.